Hey guys, this is Akaya. I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. I am super excited, you guys. I finally got rid of my plantar wart. I am super excited. So I wanted to show you guys how I got rid of it. First, I want to say, you guys, I took matters into my own hands, y'all. I kept trying to get rid of the plantar wart. I wound up going to the doctor. You guys, if you see my video, I got a great video showing you how I went to the doctor. I got it cut off. I've been dealing with this plantar wart, you guys, for probably about a good 4 to 5 years. And I know a lot of people say that the plantar wart was caused by a virus, but I just don't believe that, you guys. What happened is I used to wear these certain type of shoes all the time, especially like when I was doing hair. I was not wearing comfortable shoes. So I noticed one day I had a little sore on my foot, and I just kind of let my sore go. I kept letting it go. Let me make sure you guys is being recorded. Hold on, guys. I want to make sure it's being recorded. Okay, it says recorded. Okay, so guys, I just kept on wearing the shoes and kept wearing the shoes. So then eventually I seen a sore. Like the sore was hurting. It was hurting real bad. I actually had 2 on my foot. So what I did, you guys, is I kind of nursed one of them back to health because it was not as bad as the main one. It wound up going away. I used some kind of I think the vinegar, the apple cider vinegar, I'm going to include that video. I wound up using apple cider vinegar and a piece of bread or some other thing. And you guys, I'm sorry if you hear the fire is going. So I used a piece of bread and I put it on there. That one went away. But the other one, the main one that I've been trying to get rid of for a very long time, would not go away. So yeah, I wound up going back to the doctor, letting them know probably about a month or 2 afterwards. I knew when he cut the actual plantar wart out, I knew that he did not get it all, because you guys, he only did just like a little P. Like, just say for instance, if you take a marker and just put a dot, he just took out that little piece. And I knew for a fact, you guys, the actual skin around the plantar wart was just all I wish I had a piece of paper I will show you guys. But like, say for instance, you guys, if you have a sore, okay, you guys, this whole thing is a sore, and then you have the plantar wart like right up in there. So what he did, you guys, y'all see how I'm sticking my finger through? He took that part out, but he did not address all the skin issues that was infected. So what I did, y'all, is I watched a video. I tried, let me go back. I wound up trying wart remover. I tried some other type of remover that they had, some kind of acid. You guys, when I say I tried everything on Facebook, everything. I also tried calamine lotion, and it did do good, y'all. It did really good, but it did not get all the way. So what I wound up doing, y'all, is I was looking at this video. I wound up seeing a post of a woman. She was saying how she dug out, it sounds gross, but how she dug out her wart, her plantar wart with with some kind of cutter. I think it was like a razor or something. So I was like, you know what? When you are in a lot of pain and you sick of something going on, y'all, like I told you, it's been going on for almost 5 years. I was at my wit's end. I was going to try anything. So what I did, you guys, was I got a razor, and I'm going to show you the video because I included the video. I wound up razoring, getting really deep inside of the actual plantar wart, and I got deep around the skin. And when I addressed the skin, y'all, when I say all my skin around here, y'all, was just infected and inflamed. So not only, you guys, is you trying to focus on that plantar wart, you also got to focus on the skin around it. So I had a bad headache one day, and I was like, you know what? I'm to go just try to put this aspirin, because what I do, y'all, is I'm not able to swallow aspirin. I have to let my aspirin sit. So I'll put my aspirin. This is what you're going to do too. You're going to put the aspirin in some very, very hot water, and you're going to just use just a little bit of aspirin. And I'm going to include a video of how to do that. Let it sit, let it turn into a paste. Don't put too much water. And what you're going to do, you guys, say for instance, if this is the plantar wart, you're going to put the aspirin all around, not only the plantar wart, y'all, but the skin, because that's what I can feel, you guys. It was like the skin, every time it healed, the plantar wart healed, it still was that inside that was hurting. And the reason why I felt, you know how sometimes you have a sore, but if like it heals, it heals, but it's not actual heal. You can touch it and it's hurt. That's how that was. So I was like, you know what? I am about to dig in there. I digged in there and I put aspirin on that area, and I put duct tape, y'all. Duct tape worked good. Now, one thing I can say, y'all, is my doctor did tell me to use duct tape. I think the duct tape helped the process of it not healing, because if you don't use the duct tape and you let it just go to the air, what happens is it heals too fast. But with the duct tape, for some reason, I don't know, because I'm not a scientist, it makes it not heal as fast. So me putting the duct tape, putting the aspirin. And you guys, I did it 2 times a day. I did it when I woke up, and I also did it before bedtime. And the good thing, you guys, was about the aspirin, it didn't stink or nothing, because a lot of different things that I tried, it stunk and just crazy things. But I put that on y'all for about 2 months. And y'all, when I say it was diminishing, going down, the pain was going down, everything was going down. First, you guys, what healed is the skin, because that skin was all red and not healed. And then after the skin healed, you guys, the plantar wart started to heal. And then I just kept on taking a finger clip, and I would take out the skin, take out the dead skin, like every day, take out the dead skin when I seen some dead skin. And I just kept putting the aspirin, and eventually, you guys, I looked at the wart, and they said when you have like a black little piece, and you can be able to see it, just go ahead and take, because like, I don't know, it's like a root, the root of the wart. So what I did, you guys, is I just, hold on guys, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so what I did was I took it and I just kept always making sure I took my razor and I scraped around it. And then one day, you guys, when I did it, the black stuff left, the wart seemed like it was going away. And you guys, I wanted to come to you when it was healed. When I say, you guys, it finally healed, I have no problems no more, you guys, with my, don't mind my socks, I know they don't match, you guys. I have no problems at all with my plantar wart. It finally healed. Yes, duct tape and aspirin took it away. And like I said, you guys, I'm going to show you a video of how to get it away, you guys. It is finally gone. I do have a little bit of a mark. I don't know if you see it, but it does not hurt. I can finally walk on the floor. I can finally walk on different things without being in so much pain, guys. That was the worst pain ever, y'all. And I do hair, so I gotta stand up. So just make sure, you guys, moral to the story is, make sure you guys wear comfortable shoes. Wear comfortable shoes when you are standing for a long period of time, because I'm telling you guys, that's what caused it, and being on the hard concrete. But it's, I mean, they say scientists, it's a virus, but I feel fine, and it's gone. So, but my husband called me, guys, so let me go ahead and include the video of how I did it. But it's gone, y'all, and I am excited. Bye, guys. Take care. Be blessed. Okay, hey you guys, I wanted to show you how I am going to do this little mixture. So what you want to do, y'all, is make sure either you heat up your water just a little bit, or you get it really hot. I'm just going to get mine really, really hot. And I should have did it before I came on camera. And y'all, what I did was I went to, I dropped the aspirin, but I don't know where it went. What I did, you guys, is I went to Big Lots, and Big Lots have really, okay, for one, I already have aspirin on hand anyway, y'all. I always have aspirin on hand. So you do want to make sure that you have a good amount. But what I would do is just maybe just buy just a regular sizing, see if it worked, and then if it worked, then go buy more. But again, like I said, I had a bigger size. I'm going to go ahead and put 4 in here. And the good thing about this mixture, y'all, is you do not have to make this every day. It should last for about 4 to 5 days. That's how long mine lasts. So what you want to do, y'all, is put very, very, very little. Here's the aspirin. Put it in any, like a little tiny container. And what I do is I put my aluminum foil on here. And as you guys know, I have a Q-tip, and I put it on the wart twice a day. And then I put my duct tape on. I also have cushions, like them Callus corn cushions. When I'm working, because, you know, I'll be standing on my feet, and I want to, you know, I don't want all the pressure to be on the plantar wart. Okay, so y'all, that water is real hot. I don't know if y'all can see the steam coming out. Okay, so what I'm going to do, y'all, is just put a very, very little bit, y'all, of water in there. You do not want to use a lot of water, because you want it to be more like a paste. You want to use a little bit of water. I mean, you know, just a little water, but enough that the actual pills are going to evaporate. And y'all, this is actually the way that I do it when I am taking pills, because it's very hard for me, y'all, to take pills. So what I do is I put it in some really hot water, and I let it turn into like a drinkable. Now you're making it more of a paste. But if I was drinking this like as an aspirin or taking medication, I will make sure it has more water in it and just drink it that way. So you see, you guys, how it's evaporating. You might not be able to see that. And just add just a little, I've seen a little post, add just a little bit of flour in there, just a little bit. And what the flour gonna do, y'all, is make it really become a pasty consistency. So here we go, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit, and then once I see that the aspirins are all evaporated, I'll come right back. Okay. And you see it's melting. Like I told you guys, do not put a whole bunch of water in there so it can be more of a paste. So when you're trying to put on your cushion on your foot or your duct tape, you won't have problems because it's wet. So again, try to make it as pasty as possible. And as days go by, it gets even more pasty. Use something that you would not be eating with. Find you a really small container, put it by whatever that you can remember to do this twice daily. Even if you do it 3 times, that's good too. But make sure you always change your duct tape in between time. Okay? Okay, you guys, here's the consistency. And even if you can get it even more, okay, you guys, try to get it even more thicker than this. Get it as thick as you can get it. And you can also pour a little bit of water out, but always remember, put just a little, enough water that the actual pills can evaporate. Again, this is also a way, if it's hard for you to take pills, you can do this also. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna keep this mixed, and daily, I'm gonna just put my aluminum foil on it, get you some aluminum foil as a top, and put it on daily with my cotton swab. And I changed my cotton swab, not the cotton swab, it's a Q-tip. I changed my Q-tip daily also. So always do that because you don't want to reinfect anything. Okay?